Hello, welcome to online lecture of advanced surveying. In this lecture we are learn about remote sensing. Remote sensing, the method of collecting and interpreting the information of terrain and object without being in physical contact with the object. Objective of remote sensing. Object of remote sensing is to collect and interpret information about terrain and other object from a distance without being in a physical contact with the object. Electromagnetic energy or radiation, that is EMR. Electromagnetic radiation or EMR is the term used to describe all of the different type of energies released by electromagnetic process. Visible light is just one of many forms of electromagnetic energy. Radio waves, infrared light and X-rays are all forms of electromagnetic radiation. Remote sensing technologies rely on a variety of electromagnetic energy. Sensors detect and measure electromagnetic energy in different portions of spectrum. Therefore, it is important to understand the fundamentals of electromagnetic radiation. The foundation of remote sensing technology is based on the measurement and interpretation of pattern of EMR. EMR is a dynamic form of energy. EMR is a transmit cross space in the waveform and in the speed of light. The whole range of EMR is called spectrum. EMR is characterized by wavelength and frequency. Different wavelengths or frequencies indicate different portion of EMR. EMR interact with atmosphere. The atmosphere causes significant absorption or scattering of the wavelength, such as molecular and non-molecular scattering and non-selective scattering. EMR also interact with the surface material in the form of absorption, reflection and transmission. Consider the reason of interaction between EMR and the atmosphere. Atmospheric windows will have to be used for a remote sensor design and ground information detection. Electromagnetic radiation, that is EMR, is radiated by atomic particle at the source, that is the sun, propagated through the vacuum of space at the speed of light, interact with Earth's atmosphere, Earth's surface, and once again the atmosphere, and finally reaches the remote sensor, where it interacts with various optical systems and detectors. The principle of remote sensing. There are 5 components of remote sensing. First one is target, second one is energy source, third one transmission path, fifth one sensor, and let's see the component part of remote sensing system. Target, the object of material that is being studied. The component in the system work together to measure and record information about the target without actual coming into physical contact with it. Energy source, illuminated or provides electromagnetic energy to the target. The energy interacts with the target depending on the properties of the target and the radiation, and will act as a medium for transmitting information from the target to the sensor. A remote device that will collect the record an electromagnetic radiation sensor can be used to measure energy that is given or emitted by the target, reflected off of the target or transmitted through the target. The resulting set of data is transmitted to receiving station, where the data are processed into enable format, which is most often as image. The image is interpreted in order to exact information about the target. This interpretation can be done visually or electronically with the aids of computers and image processing softwares. Let's see how it's work. The remote sensing system consists of 6 stages: energy source, that is passive active, atmosphere, target, a recording device, transmission or reception or processing, interpretation and application. The remote sensing is work on the following principle: sensing the Earth's surface from space by making use of the properties of electromagnetic waves emitted, reflected, or diffracted by the sense objected by using natural source management, land, and artificial sources. The passive remote sensing system depends upon the strongest source of electromagnetic energy, that is the sun. The passive remote sensing measures energy which is either reflected or emitted from the Earth's surface features, but active remote sensing systems use their own energy sources. The electromagnetic energy from the source passes through atmosphere to the Earth's surface and it gets reflected from the Earth's surface and it again passes through the atmosphere to the sensor. This is the principle of energy interaction in atmosphere and Earth's surface features. The wavelength and spectrum distribution of energy is modified by the atmosphere to some extent, and this modification varies with the respect of wavelength. The interaction of magnetic energy with the Earth's feature generated reflected or emitted signals. Detection, identification and analysis of Earth's surface material is done by the spectral response pattern. Thank you very much.